Hey friends, today in this video I will show you a PowerShell script that will help you to export all disabled users only in CSV file. Suppose if you have more than 2 organizational unit and you just want to export only disabled accounts from these all OUs. So what you can do, you can use this PowerShell script and this will help you to exporting these all disabled accounts from various organizational units. So this is the PowerShell script. I assigned the name like disabled users, and now you can see this is the PowerShell script. First I am using import dash module active directory. So this command is just importing the active directory module in this script. Now I'm using a variable where I'm just specifying the location and the file name of the CSV where we will export the result of all disabled accounts. And next is that I'm using a active directory command, that is get AD user filter. So this will just filter the enabled equal to false properties. What are the properties we required for disabled accounts in my CSV file? So I just specified with select object SAM account name, display name, given name, surname, user principal name. So these all are the attributes of the accounts that will be fetched inside this CSV file for disabled users. I'm using export dash CSV. So this is a command which will be used for exporting the CSV file, and this will export it to the specified variable, and this variable is having C::AD script. So this is the path where this CSV file will be created with the name of disabled user.csv. Now once this will just fetch the details, I mean disabled user, then it will use the right host, and in the right host this will prompt a message on this PowerShell command like disabled user exported to output file path. So this is the path. So this will just specify a message. So I'm going to execute this PowerShell script and we'll see how these accounts will be exported. Now it's just executing this PowerShell script. Now you can see right host message has been written over there. Disabled users exported to this path. Now we'll go on this location where this file has been created inside this CAD script. CAD script, and this is the name disabled users. So this is the SAM account name, display name. These all are the attributes and these all are the values for these attributes. So SAM account name guest is the built-in accounts. KRBTGT is also a built-in account. So these two accounts always it's a disabled, so this is showing false. Next, test user 1, test user 2, test user 3, test user 3 and test user 5. So these 3 accounts which we just created, and these 3 accounts are disabled. That's why we are getting the message like enable status is false. If you will go on my active directory, so currently test 05 is also disabled, and we received this message over there. In my CSV file, test 05 is disabled. Similarly, if you will go through, test user 1 and test user 3 are also disabled. Suppose if you just want to export the enabled account, so what you will do, you need to just modify this existing PowerShell script. You need to specify like true, and I'm giving a different name for this CSV file, so I will use enabled users. Now if you will execute this PowerShell script, then it will just give the enabled account details with the name of CSV file, that is enabled users. Now if you go through with this PowerShell script, so this will prompt, because we haven't changed the right host message, that's why we just received this right host message disabled users exported. You need to change it over here as well. Now if you go through this location where this file has been generated, this says enabled users, and there are the two users which are currently enabled. If you go through this Active Directory, so this account should be enabled. This is enabled, and similarly administrator account is also enabled. I'm going to show you this account administrator. This account is also enabled. So there is not a big difference between these two PowerShell script. If you will use false, then it will export the disabled account. If you use enabled, $enabled, then it will export the enabled account from your Active Directory. So this is the PowerShell script. You can just use this PowerShell script because I just written a blog for this as well on my infoelias.com web blog website. This says PowerShell script for export all disable users in CSV. If you go through, this is the PowerShell script which I just specified over here, and I just explained the things how this PowerShell script is working. So you can just copy this PowerShell script in your environment and you can just execute it, and you need to just modify the output path as per your requirement, as per the location where you are just trying to export the CSV file. So this is www.infoelias.com. If you go through this website, so you can learn about multiple PowerShell script. Just scroll it down. So I just written more than 100 PowerShell script for Active Directory and other IT ops related works you can do very easily, and you can just automate your process in your IT infrastructure. Thank you for watching this video.